Hey there, space fans! Welcome back to our channel, World of SehajParteet. Today, we're going to take a thrilling tour of our amazing solar system. From the scorching hot sun to the icy cold outer planets, we'll explore some fascinating facts about our cosmic neighborhood. Buckle up, because we're about to blast off on an adventure of a lifetime. Let's start with the star of the show, our sun. Did you know that the sun is so massive that it makes up almost 99.8% of our solar system's mass? And have you ever wondered how long it takes for the sun's light to reach us? It's about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's a delayed reaction. Next up, we have Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Did you know that Mercury's surface temperatures can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius?
What?
But don't worry, it's not all hot and sunny. The temperatures drop to minus 170 degrees at night. Now, let's talk about Venus, the planet of love and beauty. And also, a very unique feature about this planet is that it rotates backwards. But don't let its beautiful appearance fool you. Venus has a thick atmosphere, which traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 460 degrees Celsius. It's like being in a perpetual oven. Home sweet home. Our planet Earth is where the magic happens. It's got the perfect distance from the sun, the right atmosphere, and an amazing diversity of life. Earth is a terrestrial planet, covered about 71% with water. Did you know that Earth's rotation is slowing down? This means our days are getting longer. Just a few milliseconds longer, but still. Next up, we have the red planet, Mars. Mars has only 1/3 of Earth's gravity, which means that even if your weight on Earth would be 100 pounds, you would weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. Did you know that Mars can get pretty chilly, with surface temperatures dropping to minus 125 degrees Celsius at night? But it's still a fascinating place to explore. Next up, we have the largest planet in our solar system. That's right, Jupiter. Jupiter has a 95-moon squad, and some of its moons are Ganymede and Callisto. Did you know that Jupiter is so massive that it's all more than 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets combined? That's crazy. And also, its great red spot storm has been raging for centuries. That's a long weather forecast. Our next stop is Saturn, the ringed beauty. Saturn is a giant made of hydrogen and helium. Did you know that Saturn's rings are made of billions of tiny ice particles stretching over 280,000 kilometers in diameter? That's roughly 7 times the distance between Earth and Moon. Now, let's talk about the ice giant Uranus. Uranus was the first planet found in a telescope. And also, did you know that it rotates on its sides, resulting in extreme seasons? And also, it smells like rotten egg. But that's just due to hydrogen sulfide. Our last stop for the day is Neptune, the icy, mysterious, and super cold planet of our solar system. Neptune has 16 moons and a dark vortex made of methane ice crystals. Did you know that Neptune has supersonic winds, which are faster than sound? That is speed. Time for a quick quiz. Let's see how well you've been paying attention to our solar system tour. How much time does it take for sunlight to reach us? The correct answer is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Uranus smells like rotten eggs. But do you know why? It's because of hydrogen sulfide. Name 2 moons of Jupiter mentioned in this video. They're Ganymede and Callisto. Which planet in our solar system completes one orbit around the sun in just 88 days? Find out and write your answer in the comments below. That's it for the amazing tour of our solar system. We hope you learned something new and had a blast exploring our cosmic neighborhood with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more space-tastic content. Until next time, keep looking up at those stars and wondering about the universe. Bye!